Hi, I'm Shiko and this is the N32B Editor. It is available for Mac and Windows and also for Linux users as a beta version. You can download it for free from our website at chic.tech. As of the entire N32B project, we released it as open source software. With the editor, you can customize any knob in the N32B MIDI controller to send any MIDI CC message with a global or specific channel. You can also set your knobs to send NRPN messages. In this tutorial, I will explain how to use it and what are the features of the software. The UI is pretty simple. On the left side of the screen, choose one of the 32 knobs you want to change from the visual representation of the device. To your right, you will see the various options for the selected knob. Each knob can be set to send any CC MIDI message from 0 to 31 while using the high resolution mode, and 0 to 127 while using the low resolution mode. You can set a knob to send a message on the global MIDI channel, or you can set a specific channel for each knob. We also added an NRPN MIDI message with high and low resolution options. The last option is to disable the knob, if you really want to. In each preset, you can mix knob types. For example, you can have knobs to send CC messages on the global channel, knobs to send CC messages on a specific channel, and some knobs to send NRPN messages. The N32B is capable of sending high-resolution 10-bit messages. In other words, it allows you a fine resolution of 1023 steps, instead of 127 steps with most of MIDI controllers available in the market. You can also use low resolution to control hardware or software, which is not designed to receive high-resolution MIDI messages. You can click the High-Res checkbox to allow or disable high-resolution mode. Setting a high or low resolution mode will affect all knobs in the selected preset. You can create a preset with high resolution and another preset with low resolution, then switch between them. Once you are happy with your setup, you can save it to your computer by clicking the Save Preset button. You can load saved presets by clicking the Load Preset button and choose presets from your computer. Saving or loading a preset will save and load it only to the editor and not to the device itself. To write a preset to your device, choose the preset slot you wish to overwrite and click Write to Device. You will be prompted with a dialog to confirm your intention to override the existing preset. Have fun!